Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2022 Kubota L2501 HST. This tractor has 38 original hours on it, one owner tractor, bought new here locally. Again, very, very nice tractor. Gentleman get into doing something else and had to liquidate some things. Long story short, we brought it in, we did a full service. We've marked all of our filters, MSC, 38 hours. We did a service and we did them all. Tractor is honestly like new tractor. Still under full powertrain warranty, I think until September the 28th of 2028, I believe. No, 2029. I have it in the ad. But long story short, R14T tires, four-wheel drive power steering, LA 526 quick attach front loader, 66-inch skid loader style quick attach front bucket, OEM Kubota bucket with a set of bucket hooks welded on it. Again, this is an HST tractor, and again, there is 38 hours on it. We're going to go ahead here. I'm going to open up the front grill guard, and I am going to we're going to give you a quick little walk around to this tractor. Underneath the hood, tractor's going to be powered by a Kubota. I believe these are a D1703, three-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. The reason I like these tractors, these are a non-emissions tractor. So you have no DPF to worry about. You have no afterburner, after treatment, anything like that. This is big a tractor you're going to get in an L series before you get into emissions, okay? 66-inch bucket, again, has a nice set of bucket hooks, 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Hood is perfect, beautiful shape. All the tits are still on the R14 tires. Rear tires are loaded with beet juice. You will also see right here, that is the original part number tag to the R14 tire. It's still on the tractor. I'll head here. We're going to show you factory top links with it. 540 PTO, drawbar, 3-point hitch. Again, like new. I'll head to this side, Ben. You head to that side. Tractor's going to have low, medium, and high range. 4-wheel drive, docking differential. Up and down for your 3-point, 540 PTO. We'll show you here at the hour meter, 38.6 hours. All the gauges work. Joystick loader control. Guys, this time I'm going to fire this tractor up. I'm going to run it around. I'm going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. And here we go. We are going to start out in low range. Does also have a level gauge. You can see there, you can set that to level wherever you want it to be, okay? Now, I'm backing up, that's 4-wheel drive out. So we are currently in low range. We'll stop, we're going to go to high range. Medium range. Now I'll go to high range. Back to medium range. Again, this is just a very nice tractor combination. PTO, lift, power steering, 540 PTO. Be a beautiful brush hog tractor. If you're working on your property, you got skid steer quick attach. You can put forks on it. Put a third function on to run a grapple. Just a nice, very nice little combination tractor. 4 ways, turn signals, everything works. Just an absolutely beautiful little tractor. But again, 38 hours, hard to dispute. Tractor still has warranty. Again, beautiful piece. It is fully serviced and ready to go to work. I like stuff like this. It's kind of a cut and dried piece, and you are saving a lot of money compared to a new tractor. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you have any questions, we'll be glad to help you. And again, I'm Nick Miller, and I can be reached at 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company.